You will be able to see all my feedback as I do it in 1 hour's time. Should be there. And if you have, I'm saying I'm just here in case you have questions that are answerable. So in progress, done, in progress. Decide to upload them, of course, because those are the marks currently you have. So Esther Jambi can go ahead and upload what I said. I've also Daniel Kipkemoi and Dennis Muriuki. You can upload the document that is needed. Humphrey's Minor. You can also upload what is the next things that I've said I need. Also, I would say also James. So there's a student who says that they have uploaded. We have enough evidence here. This is Samuel. So I want to share my screen. If Samuel is online, should be able to see what I'm seeing. Because this is Mzemo Query. This is Samuel Kibenji. So if you look at the Samuel uploads, this is if I search it with Samuel, I think looks more a bit the name that I can search with. So this is the Samuel submission. Here there is nothing. There is nothing that you've submitted. This is another submission. There is nothing. I've checked all of them. There is nothing. 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 So this was there's something. This one, there's something. So if you want me, I can mark this one. I never went to the last one. I thought the latest one would be the one that is there. So I can mark. So what I'm marking is this one. Now, I find it funny when I find that people make comment. Like now, there's this guy called Mark making comment that you have uploaded. And I'm not saying that where are you reading that you have not uploaded? No, where have you read that it is not uploaded, Mark? Please ask me questions that are, because I have not said, I've given you, in fact, your marks for that. So this is Mark Mwendwa Kaberia, your marks for that. So why would you say that? Why would you say that you have uploaded? It's unnecessary. Because I've already marked yours. I've not said you have not uploaded. So this is the work this is the one that exists by Samuel. It was an old one that was done sometime. So if you want me to mark this one, because this is what is available. Samuel, this is what is available.
Excuse.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
I've been uploading for the past up to homework 7. I can even share my screen to show you that.
Now, before you go ahead, because you're here, are you seeing my screen also?
Yes.
Now, Let me tell you. You know this which date this is? Can you see
Yeah,
the date? Can you see the date? The one that you uploaded. This one, when was it uploaded? You can see the date, right?
I've recently I uploaded
Just
on
hold on.
Monday.
Just hold on. I want us to go. I want us to go in a procedural manner. It's procedural manner. Can you see this one? Right, Samuel. Can you see
Yes.
this one?
Yeah, I can see.
Right. And you uploaded it on 22nd of June, right?
Yes.
So I can say you know how to upload. Let us go to the one that you're saying you
Yeah.
uploaded yesterday. Is there something here?
Yeah.
Can you see anything here?
Monday.
This one you did it.
No,
Yes, you did it.
but
Mhm. You know, here is the thing. Yeah? You
yeah.
see, let me just tell you what I mean so that you don't, you see, let us pick a student random. This is Ian, right?
Yes.
And this is his work. This is Esther Jambi, and this is his work, her work, sorry. This is her work. This is Simon Kanai, and this is her work. So please, what I'm saying is that maybe the way you have been uploading has been wrong. So what you do is you upload it now and you upload it correctly. Otherwise, it will still be the same. I'll say nothing submitted.
Okay. How can I upload it correctly? Maybe uh, I've done it wrong. Maybe you can guide me.
Okay, okay. So I say you come to Q&A, you go to new post, you say is a note, you say you are posting it to the instructor. Then you select the folders. So this we said is a proposal, we'll go filling them. So then here, you write, this is proposal. Then you come here, you write your name and your registration number. You come here and you say insert file. Then you upload the file that you have. Once you upload, then you say send.
Okay, I'm sending. Excuse.
Mm-hmm.
I've uploaded. Have you seen?
Mm-hmm. So the one we have uploaded, the one that you're giving me is I hope you're not doing another story. This is the one, right?
Yes.
This is the one, right? So this is the one.
Yeah.
So, hmm?
The recent one that I've posted right now.
Usinifanyishe kazi ya upusi. What I'm marking is what you have uploaded now. I'm marking what you have just uploaded, and it is incomplete. See, what you have uploaded is this one here. What I can see here, this one. See, it's this one.
Yeah, chat store digitalized right now. Homework 6.
This one here. Yeah. So I've now marked it. I've marked it and it is still incomplete.
What is it lacking?
Wow. Wow. You think this is a complete proposal?
Yes.
Is this a complete proposal?
Oh, you're marking the wrong one. I've sent it right now. The one that has a Gantt chart.
Nani, just get organized and upload the right thing.
Let me
There's no way I'm marking the wrong one. I'm very sure about that. Because this is what I'm marking. So it's you who has uploaded the wrong one.
Can I share my screen?
No, upload the right document.
Can I share my screen?
Upload the right document.
I can share my screen. Yes.
Upload the right document.
I'm uploading again right now.
Upload the right document. That is not difficult to us. So I'm waiting for you to upload the right one so that I finish those jobs. Now I've said this, and I want it to be known from now. This is what I've said for those ones who are asking, what is the? Can I know the deadline? I've said this is the date when I said I'm marking the complete proposal, so I'll mark the complete proposals, the document. But those people who have I've said can go ahead and do the complete proposal, can upload the document that I said, can go ahead. The last day for me to talk about this project is next week. Next week on Tuesday at 3 on that is 17th, God willing. That is the final day for me to talk about projects in any form and in any structure. I mean proposal. So the stories of saying I uploaded, meaning I would not want to hear after the day on. So now is the time you take, you do the job, you do a good job, not the mediocre job that is just uploading things, and then you upload it, and the deadline for me marking it, the marks that I'll have here, after you upload your PowerPoint and you upload your, so for example, the current marks, I'll then check what you'll upload as PowerPoint and then your presentation. Then I'll mark that, and that will be the end of the proposal, complete end. There is no any other end about it. Whatever grade I'll give, that will be the grade for me, and that will be the end of the story. I will not want to hear any other day being called to ask about the proposal. Now we will move to the implementation of the proposals that are after that. So my mind has always built that a proposal, anybody who is keen should get an A. That's for sure, because it's very easy. Now, I need to say this. For this unit, this is the final and the only thing. There is no exam. There is no exam. So that needs to be understood. So the final day for this unit is on, you have said that it is put on 16th. What time, Esther? What time on 16th? On the timetable. Do you have an exam on? Do you have an exam on? Do you have an exam on? Because I want it to remain the time we have been having it. Tuesday at 3. That's when I'll finish all the proposals. And there's no exam, like I said, there's no exam for this unit. That will be it. So by Tuesday next week, and there's no extension. Make sure that you'll have uploaded. If you have a cartoon proposal, the way I've written it, you do a good proposal, you have the ability, if not, you can let it stay the way it is. Still okay with me. These are the marks that I'll just record. And then you upload things that I have requested. A PowerPoint presentation, the final Word document, and then you also upload what is called the your video. Now there is a question on what should the proposal contain so far. Everything I've been singing around. That one you can get details from the rest. That one I will not sing it. Sing it. Yes.
On Tuesday we have an exam.
You have an exam.
Human kids, yeah, we have an exam on Tuesday.
That ends what time?
From 8 a.m. to 10.
But my that's why I was saying my submission of the work. Listen, you are not presenting anything. I'm just saying the day that I will upload. You are supposed to upload. So if you have an exam, it's okay from 8 to 10. Because this unit, the exam was supposed to be on Monday, as Nani has said. But this unit has no exam. So I'm saying the submission. If you will have submitted by that Monday, you don't need even to come for this session.
Okay.
This session is just for the purpose of finishing. I am saying that is the final date, the final time when I'll talk about these proposals on 17 at 3. So, but that doesn't mean you have to be there. If you can do yours even now and you finish and you upload, that's it. Between me and you, it's okay for the proposal.
Okay, Mwalimu, I've sent.
Go ahead. Although usually also it's good to also get from what others, but I'll explain just 1 minute. So this is a document that you've sent somewhere. So yours is in Runscript. Yeah, it's an improvement. That one I agree is an improvement. Yeah, that's an improvement. That's there. So make sure that when you have it, you have it. The only page that I said should be in landscape is the one on Gata chart. The rest should be on landscape, on portrait. Now, so the question that is being asked as the last, as a question here, very fast, is on, this is what I said. You can just have, I'm putting it on the chart. So that's what the last of the item I want. So I've said you will have, so I've the grades, I've created that. So I've said you create a PowerPoint with 7 slides, 4 slides with your details, and then application solutions, 2 slides. And please remember, when I talk about application solution, I want you to concentrate with just if you have 4 minutes, if you have 2 minutes to talk about this, spend more time talking about the technologies more. And then you have aim, objectives, your plan, references. Then you create a video of 5 minutes using whichever tool you have. This is an example of a tool you can use. You create a video where you are clearly visible. Yourself, you must be clearly visible explaining what you are doing. So you record your video and you also upload it. You can use any of the tools. So what I'll expect for me to consider your complete Word document, that is what you have been uploading, the PowerPoint that shows your presentation, and the video. Strictly 5 minutes, no less, no more. 5 minutes strictly. Can I get a review?
I have a question.
Just a minute. Can I get a review test tomorrow? No, that one is yours. You go ahead and finish to the last stage. I have been having all the time here waiting for you to finish. So you approved, I will do it at my own time before that date. Approved before that date, whether I respond to it or not. The day I've said that you needed to approve it before that time. So just have it. It cannot be latest tomorrow. I have other things to do, so it has to be within my time. And I've said within the time that you have. So I've said you upload whatever you'll have. I'll look at it on. I'll look at it on my time. No, create yours. Be innovative. Create yours. The problem with that is that I'll end up having PowerPoint and presentation that look like what I said. Be creative, create yours, and create a good PowerPoint presentation. There are samples of good PowerPoint around, and you can look at some examples from sources I can point you to. But let me just share some, but I don't know whether I'll even be able to access them. PowerPoint presentation creation is a skill that you should have, and is a skill that I would be very happy for you to be able to do that. So the way you design, you be creative. And actually the class, for the guys who attended the class that I had last time when I invited you, for the student in computer science who was presenting, that's the kind of thing that I'm talking about. So create PowerPoint presentations that are good, attractive, and somebody can be able to follow. So on the details about how that during that session, I believe you are able to see, for those ones who attended, you are able to. Next, there's somebody with a question, go ahead.
I was asking if you can please send us a PowerPoint and a video that has been sent to you earlier so that we can use it as a reference as we are creating now.
See how it is done. Maybe I can just reflect something very easy. That would be, maybe let me check whether I have anything that is. So just a small presentation that created just for the purpose of showing you. So what I'm saying is that this is just a small sample presentation. So you have the title of your work, you have your name and your details here, admission number and such. Then you go ahead now, you start. Remember, PowerPoints are good if they are not as wordy. So be careful not to put a lot of wording. What you have is maybe you can put some visuals and such. And then I'm saying the first slide explains the application area and such. The second one does the same, and make sure that you use more visuals and such with a very little amount of writing, but with the message coming out clearly. So so that is the idea of what I'm saying. Then you finish that. So that is just a sample, but I know you can get even better. You can get even better presentation, but the idea of PowerPoint presentation is that you understand what you are talking about, not reading the PowerPoint presentation. You understand what you are communicating. Any other?
On regard on the video, are we taking the video of ourselves or the document, explaining what the document is saying?
It's supposed to be a video of you presenting the document. So it should be about you making a presentation. You know the way you use the more you present as you create a video yourself as you present. So it should be able to show the PowerPoint, and it should be able to show the PowerPoint as well as you presenting those concepts. So you put your camera in a way that it captures you as well, and captures your slides. I think those are the questions that you have. The others, I think you can manage, unless somebody has another burning question that I need to answer. Any other burning question? Still on Piazza, there is no any other source, no any other way. That's the only way. Now. Yeah. Okay, when the presented you, but I said everything must be by that date of 17th at 3. That's it, Esther. There is no any other due or something. Everything is due at that level. Everything, the PowerPoint, the document, and the video is due on 17th at 3. That's what we were discussing. And I said, and please, this is very important because it looks like I have to have a point form. The end date for me talking about proposal is that day, no any other day. When you upload, don't call me to tell me you have uploaded. I'll read it. I'll check it at my own time. I'll read it. So, but the deadline for it will be on, and that day I'll be able to mark and show you the marks that you have. That's it. Okay, thank you. Have a good evening.